Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to the very first official episode of Edify School Patna, where voices find their wings and thoughts find their echo.
That was poetic, my friend. But yes, this is going to be a space where ideas will bloom, stories will be shared, and where we students will get the chance to express ourselves beyond textbooks and whiteboards.
Exactly. I'm Radha Anand, and this is my amazing co-host,
Rajvindini here, and together we are super excited to be your host on this creative journey. A series of episodes that will bring you fresh perspective, interesting conversations, and a whole lot of enjoyment.
Did you just mix education with entertainment?
Guilty as charged, but that's exactly what we are doing here. This podcast is not just about learning, it's about connecting. It's about having fun while we explore the world around us and within us.
Before we dive into what's coming next, let's talk about where we are coming. Edify School Patna, our second home, the playground of ideas, and the main reason this podcast even exists.
Absolutely. Edify isn't just a school, it's a culture. It's a place where academics meets creativity, where discipline meets innovation, and where we students are truly empowered to be global citizens.
And this podcast becomes one more feather in Edify Cap.
Oh, that was code-worthy line.
Well, since we are at it, here's another quote for our lovely listener. Education is not just filling of a pail, but a lighting of a fire. And this podcast is our spark.
So let's give our audience a little sneak peek of what they can expect from this channel.
From student stories to teacher's talk, creative artworks to current affairs, we will be covering it all. We will pick a theme or a topic and bring you voices, ideas, and stories.
We will be talking about things that matter: mental health, hobbies, trending news, innovation, life skills, and interviews with people who inspire us.
Some episodes will be deep and thought-provoking, while others will be fun, a little bit for everyone.
And don't worry, no gossip, no personal content. This is a safe space for ideas, not for drama.
Like a well-ironed uniform on a Monday morning. We are here not just to talk, but to listen as well. This is a two-way conversation. We will be asking for your thoughts, your ideas, and your stories.
And maybe even featuring you in future episodes, because this isn't just our podcast, it's yours too.
You know, in a world filled with voices, it is hard to find a place where your voice can be heard. This podcast is that space.
It's about giving ourselves and each other the confidence to communicate, to lead, to question, and to dream.
Because like Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world.
And change doesn't start in a parliament. It starts in a classroom. It starts with a voice. It starts right here.
So while we are at it, let's talk about our school mission. Our school mission is to empower every children and bring them a great leader.
We aim to raise them as independent, confident individuals who contribute meaningfully to society, both nationally and globally.
Our vision is to change every student so they can bring a positive and a great change in the world.
We focus on knowledge and understanding that creates a lasting impact on the global community.
Coming to our academic philosophy, we strongly believe childhood is a time for exploration. That's why our curriculum focuses on critical thinking, decision making, making every student a responsible person.
It encourages curiosity, builds self-esteem, and helps develop children high-order thinking skills from young age.
Our scholastic and post-scholastic activities focuses on real-world skills such as art, drama, skit, etc.
We encourage them to be expressive, original.
Our school offers modern science laboratories and information-rich libraries.
Students use library for poetry reading, research, and enrichment.
At Edify, technology is not just a tool, it's part of our culture. Every classroom has smartboard enabled in them.
The school is Wi-Fi enabled, and we have a computer lab, LCD rooms, and network classrooms that support advanced learning.
So let's talk about our innovative program, SEP, Sports Education Program. At Edify, physical education is important. That's why our school focuses on our skill, talent, physical appearance, etc.
With excellent infrastructures and expert coaches, students get to play basketball, football, cricket, table tennis, and more, and fitness activities like yoga, aerobics, taekwondo, and karate.
Second, our value education program, which focuses on our moral, ethics, culture through various activities.
Teachers act as facilitators and guides that help children develop values like honesty, interdependence, and discipline.
our DF program, Drop Everything and Read, which allows us to focus on our bookist world.
Students read for 20 to 30 minutes and write in response log followed by short discussion with teachers.
At Edify, learning goes beyond the classroom. That's why we have varieties of clubs.
Our club portfolio includes Literary and Interact Club, Sports Club, Eco-Sustainability Club, Art and Craft Club, Rock Club, Maths Club, Dance Club, Science and Technology Club, Electorate Club, and even Cuisine Club, giving everyone space to shine.
We proudly follow 3C curriculum, character, competence, and content, which emphasizes responsibility, innovation, and interdependence.
Based on multiple intelligence, inquiry-based learning, and de Bono's six thinking hats, it ensures experiential learning across all subjects.
Edify has many divisions: elementary school program ESP, primary school program PSP, middle school program MSP, and secondary school program SSP, which is till 10th.
We focus on 6 transdisciplinary things that connect learning with life.
Our identity, our responsibility,
Our expressions, place and time.
world laws, and our system.
Through these themes, students connect learning with everyday experience, making it contextual relevant.
You know, we talk about Edify a lot, but have you ever thought about the name itself? It is very cool.
Oh yeah, so for those of you wondering, Edify means to educate spiritually, morally, and intellectually. It's like the core philosophy of our school is packed into that one word.
And have you seen our logo? It's a pencil, right? It might be very simple, but it's very symbolic.
Totally. It represents a child's first formal writing tool, which represents us writing our own destinies and even the destiny of our country.
Whoa, that's deep. And just like the way a pencil is sharpened, our school sharpens the mindset of every individual to create a leader in every one of us.
That's why it's there, always wonder, and the colors are awesome too, right? White signifies peace and spirituality, and orange signifies enthusiasm.
When you put it all together, the color, the symbol, the logo, it puts all of it to one single thing, is to create a leader in every one of us.
And the housing system are awesome too, right? I am in Air House.
I'm also in air house, and for those who are listening, there are 4 house systems. Earth symbolized by green,
Water symbolized by blue,
fire symbolized by red.
and air house symbolized by yellow.
Each house has its own spirit and energy, which allows us to connect with different students from different grades.
It really is. Edify isn't just about academics. It's about everything making us who we are, our values, our spirit, and our potential to lead.
It is like giving us a tool to not only succeed in school, but in life.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So if you're a dreamer, a thinker, a listener, or a talker, this podcast is for you.
Follow us on this journey, share it with your friends, and get ready for a whole lot of laughter, learning, and life.
Because we are Edify School Patna, and this is our voice.
Stay kind, stay curious, and keep tuning in.
Until next time, keep edifying.
Bye!